The unassuming power of the hello everyone, I hope you are well, and how are you? I want to talk about a small but mighty word in the English language, the. It might seem insignificant. A mere 2 letters we often gloss over, but I argue that understanding its importance and using it effectively is fundamental to clear and precise communication. This is a collection of 200 sentences on the for English and Urdu learners and students. Think about it. What distinguishes I saw a cat from I saw the cat? The simple addition of the transforms the statement. A cat could be any feline, a random creature encountered. But the cat implies a specific cat, perhaps one we've already discussed. One that belongs to someone present, or even a particular cat we both happen to be looking at. This power of specification is at the heart of the S importance. It acts as a signpost, guiding our listeners' understanding towards a particular noun. Without it, our language would be far more ambiguous, a landscape of generalities where specific meaning often gets lost. Consider instructions. Close a door versus close the door. The first is vague. Any door will do. The second is direct, pointing to a specific door we both understand. This precision is vital in countless situations, from giving directions to explaining complex ideas. Mastering the nuances of they can significantly enhance your communication. It allows you to be more direct, more specific, and ultimately, more easily understood. It demonstrates a command of the language that contributes to clearer thinking and more impactful expression. So, the next time you speak or write, pay attention to this small but powerful word. Consider why you're using it, and whether it's truly the most effective choice. By understanding and thoughtfully employing they, we can all strive for greater clarity and precision in our communication. Thank you.